Hello, this is Mr. Lego, and today we have another Lego set review. Today's set will be the Barc Speeder Escape, which is set 75378. It is for 8 and up. It has a total of 221 pieces, and it includes 4 minifigures. It includes Grogu, Kylo and Beck, and 2 501st Clone Troopers. This looks like a pretty nice build. It comes with the speeder, but like I've seen in most Lego reviews of this Lego, it is the Lego lamp, if you can see. On most of the videos I've seen on this video, it's mostly on the lamp. So we'll be talking about that a little. But yeah, we can see that it's pretty exciting, I would say, in my own opinion, to build this. And let's get started. So this is Kylo and Beck. He has 2 lightsabers, a green one and a blue one, and he has a cape. Yeah, his minifigure, his torso has a little bit of gold. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Like, pretty exclusive torso, I would say. Let's see in the back torso. It's pretty good, like normal. Then the clones are the same, and Grogu is the same. Like, the only different character would be this guy, but that's because he's new. And yeah, it's a pretty cool build. I should have made a stop motion with this while building it. That would have been a good idea. But yeah, you can put Grogu inside here, and it'll go. And then you put this guy here, but I'm recording, so I'll do it later. I'll probably put it as a stop motion. I don't know. So yeah, this is the whole build. I hope you like this video.